Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday the 14th. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. And today we have an Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys could take a look at their other goodies they have to offer. All you gotta do is click the link down below. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping. And this is coming from my good friends over at Aukey. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. They got really cool stuff and at a great price too, so you might want to take advantage of that. And we have here, oh yes, we had to go green with Aukey XXL mouse pad. Really cool. Not sure if that's UPS. There's no waiting on the package. But here we go. I'm just going to cut it. There we go. Let's see what this thing looks like. Put it to use tonight. Bam. Okay, there's nothing down there. Look at this thing. This is nice. Nice and big. Oh yeah, look at that thing. This thing's huge. Huge. Nice size. Got the Aukey logo right there. Backwards, but I'll flip it around. Really nice mouse pad. Aukey. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. There's the bottom. Got the grip. Slide everywhere. Nice pad. Nice mouse pad. Great for gaming. Rose. Pretty big though. So there you have it, YouTubers. Aukey gaming mouse pad, extra large, big size. So definitely check them out. Be safe and see you guys in the next video. See ya.